Hello, dear student. Today I am going to start the new chapter, Some Natural Phenomena. This is the chapter 15 of your class. In this chapter, we will discuss about the lightning and thunder, electric charge. You know about something, I think about the electric charge you have done in the 7th class also. In this chapter, we will discuss about the types of charge and how the charge is produced and so many other things. These are the topics which we will cover, that is electric charge, electroscope, lightning and thunder. We will cover in this chapter. Now, first of all, I come to the electric charge. Before explaining the electric charge, I want to tell you the phenomena of electric charge was discovered approximate 600 BC. It means approximate 250 100 years back. A great Greek philosopher was there. The name was Thales. He was rubbing amber with a piece of fur, and he found that amber attracting object like dry hair on head and small bits of paper and straw. He also found that amber giving out a feeble spark when brought face to face with ebonite. Ebonite is a plastic type material. It's a kind of wood material and rubbed with the fur and or with the cat skin. So in this way, he has found that there is something is present which is attracting the other, but he was not able to give the name. After a gap about 2000 years, there is about nearly 600 years back, there is a scientist, Dr. William Gilbert. He confirmed the presence of charge. He has done the experiment, and or you can say he has corrected the experiment performed by Thales, and in addition he showed that similar property developed by rubbing a glass rod with silk or ebonite rod with cat skin. So he has found that there is some charge, and he has given the name that is charge to the object. Now the charge objects are of two types, or you can say the charges are of two types. I am again telling you, this is the simple phenomena that when you rub the plastic scale on a dry hair, the scale can attract small bits of paper. You can take the plastic comb, or you can take the plastic scale. This is very simple, you have done earlier. This occurs because of charging. Because when we rub one object against another, the object acquire the charge. Now beta ji, what it shows that when we rubbing bodies, the bodies can be made charge, and these bodies are called the charge bodies. Types of charges, there are two types of charge. One is positive charge and other is negative charge. Now these positive charge and negative charge, what are the properties of these positive charge and negative charge? We will discuss some activities about this. The first of all, you have taken two balloons, inflated balloons, and you have hanged them in such a way that they do not touch each other, and you rub both the balloons with woolen cloth and release them. You can see you have released like this. You will notice that they start moving away from each other. You can see in the first picture you have just hanged them, and in the second picture you have seen they are moving away from each other. So what it shows, that they acquired same charge because you have rubbed them with woolen cloth. आपने उन दोनों को वुलन क्लॉथ से रब किया है. It means the objects are same and you are also rubbing them with the against the same object. That's why they are acquiring the same charge. They are acquiring maybe positive charge, or they are acquiring maybe negative charge, but the charge is similar. That's why they are moving away from each other. The moving away from each other is called the repulsion. Moving away from each other is called the repulsion, and moving towards with each other is called the attraction. So what it shows, that the same charge, whether the two objects having positive charge or the negative charge, they repel each other and they move away from each other. This activity show. Now in this activity, this is the another activity, that you have taken a refill of pen and you have rubbed against with polythene. Then you have placed it in a tumbler. You can see like this. Now what you will find it, that, and again you have taken another refill and you have with the polythene and bring close to the previous one. Again you will see that they are repelling each other. The reason is same, that you are rubbing with the same object. So it is confirmed now that both are getting the same charge and both are repelling each other, or both are moving away from each other. Now you will charge the bodies of different material. You have taken an inflated balloon and you have rubbed with woolen cloth closer to, and then you have bring it with the refill. You can see here in this activity, the refill is charged and you have taken this inflated balloon and you have rubbed it against the woolen cloth. Now the object is different. You will see when you are keeping together, then both are trying to move closer. They are coming closer to each other. They are attracting each other. What it shows? It shows that both are acquiring because the different charge. Why they are acquiring different charge? One is positive and other is negative, because we have rubbed them against different object. We have rubbed against different object and they acquired the different charge, and because of the different charge they are attracting each other. So by these two activities we have concluded that a charged balloon repelled other charged balloon, a charged refill repelled other charged refill, but in the third activity a charged balloon attract a charged refill, which is clearly indicate that the charges on balloon is different from the charges on refill. But it shows from these activity that same charge repel each other and opposite charge attract each other. Thank you, beta ji. In the next video, we will discuss the further chapter.